Hi, this week I'd like to show you the glossary function in Moodle. The glossary function allows you to build a glossary of terms and definitions for your students to use throughout the semester. You can build this manually, which is a little time consuming. If you click Add an Activity and you can select Glossary from the drop-down list, you can give your glossary a name. You can give it a description. You can tell your students what is inside of this glossary if you choose to have multiple glossaries. There's several options. You can go through and visit these on your own. We can hit Save and Display. This is going to create the glossary. And now the glossary is out here, and of course it's empty. We haven't got any entries in it. We can add a new entry, and we can put the concept in, and we can put the definition in, and when we get finished we can hit Save Changes. This can be a little bit time consuming. There's also another way to get glossary information into a glossary, which is to import it. Moodle uses a very specific XML format, which makes it kind of difficult to build it on your own, but I'm going to show you a tool that I've made available here in the Moodle Tutorials course shell. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see I've added another block here with Moodle utilities in it. The top one here is called the Glossary XML Converter. Go ahead and click that and it'll open up a new window. Let me center this a little better. You'll see you have the option to copy and paste in your original tab delimited text, plain text from Excel, from Notepad, anything you want. Primarily the way to have this is to have the concept on the far left and then have a tab space in between them and then have the definition. I have some sample text here. I have them in a text editor. I'm going to copy and then I'm going to just paste them in. Okay, and as you can see I have them, each concept, there's a tab space between the concept and the definition, and there's one blank space between each individual term. I come down here to the bottom and I click on Convert, and now you can see that we have this XML code generated on the other side. I'm going to select all of that data, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to move over into a text editor, and I'm going to paste that information. From here I'm going to save this as a Unicode or UTF-8 file, which is basically a plain text file. But you'll want to call it something with a specific name, but you'll want to add .xml on the end and then save it. Okay, I've already saved this file, so we can come back into Moodle. I can click on Edit or Update on the glossary, and now that I'm into the glossary, I can click Import Entries. Okay, I get a basic browse function. I click the browse button. I go out to where I saved the glossary.xml file and I select that. And then I hit Save Changes, which will import these into the glossary. It comes back and tells me that it's created 4 entries. It found 4 entries and it imported all 4 of them. I hit Continue. Now when I come to my glossary, I have the glossary. This is how students will see it. It does it alphabetically. It bolds the term, and then it has the definition here as well. And that's one way to get information into a glossary. You can use these kind of tools to copy and paste things from information that you may have gotten from your textbook publisher. If you want to build some glossaries, it's just a nice function that you can use for your students to get more information.